Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Denise, and whether you're just getting started or you're looking to grow your home daycare business and earn $5,000 or more per month, you're in the right place. In this video, I will share 3 proven income strategies that will help you, the home daycare provider, boost profits while still providing high-quality childcare. Let's begin. Strategy number 1, you will need to maximize your enrollment. You will want to have all of your spots filled. To accomplish this goal, you will need to consider 3 things. Number 1, know your capacity. Understanding your state's regulations on the number of children you can provide care for is imperative to meeting this goal. The way you do this is by operating at full capacity, which will maximize your income. So you will need to know your state laws, meaning how many infants, toddlers, preschoolers, and school-age children you can provide care for at any given time, along with the child-to-caregiver ratio. So to determine your state laws, rules, and regulations where you reside, do your research. Here's a place for you to check. Research at the Child Care and Development Fund, CCDF. Also, check the National Center on Early Childhood Quality Assurance, which is NCECQA. Stay tuned until the very end to get all the resources provided in this video. Number 2, understand the mixed age group matters. Consider the age group you accept and decide which age group of children you will provide care for in your home daycare. Ask yourself, is it in your best interest to keep infants? While infants bring in higher rates, they also require more resources. So remember, your goal is to make over $5,000 a month, but you do not want to do this at the expense of the children's safety and or comfort, or at the expense of the family's bank account either. Even though you're operating a business to make money, you wouldn't want to do it by overcharging your neighbors. So, balancing age groups can optimize both the care for the children and your income, so keep that in mind. Number 3, be flexible with your scheduling. Offering part-time or drop-in care to fill in the gaps in your schedule will increase your revenues. You do this first by determining your hours of operation, then second, the needs of your parents. For example, if a parent pays only for their child to attend during the hours from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., you can fill in the open hours with before and after care school children. Set up your slots according to your hourly rate. This way, if a parent has a set budget, they can share a full-time slot with another family. This way, it's a win-win for everyone. For more information on enrollment strategies, check out my video, Make Money and Keep Money. Make sure you stick around until the very end to gather all the resources provided in this video, to grab your free checklist, and to learn the remaining tips on how to make over $5,000 a month from your home daycare business. Strategy number 2, establish competitive rates. Next, you'll want to ensure your rates reflect the quality of care you're providing. To accomplish this goal, you will need to complete these 3 steps. Step number 1, research local rates. You will need to know what other providers in your area charge and position your rates competitively. How do you do this? Call your competitors. Ask about full-time, part-time, and sibling rates. Take note of what's included. Are they providing meals? What about their curriculum? What type of curriculum is this? And do they offer extended hours? If yes, what are they charging? Now, if you call and you aren't successful, there are other ways to find these rates. To find daycare rates in your area, you can use several resources, such as the National Database of Child Care Prices, NDCP. This is one of the most comprehensive federal sources of child care prices at the county level, and it offers price data by provider type, age of children, and county characteristics. Also, there's the childcare.gov. It is an official U.S. government website where you can find childcare and helpful resources. Some other resources are local childcare awareness agencies, and you can contact your local childcare awareness agency for detailed information regarding childcare rates in your areas. Also, there's the resource and referral of your family daycare homes in your areas. You can search online listings, for example, care.com and Trusted Care. These offer tools to estimate the average cost of childcare in your area based on your zip code, child's age, and type of child care. Check local Facebook parent groups or Craig listings for providers near you. Also check Google listings by typing in child care near me. Next, compare by age group. Rates often differ for infants, toddlers, preschoolers, and school-age kids. Look at both home and center-based daycares. Home daycares may charge slightly less than centers, but you'll still want to gather that information. Number 2, the other way to establish competitive rates is by communicating your value. Highlight your qualifications, experiences, and unique offerings to justify your rates. Do you provide meals? Do you have certifications such as your CDA, your director's credential, or an ECE training? Do you offer a structured curriculum or enrichment programs such as STEM or bilingual programs? Do you have a clean, well-decorated, and fresh smell, organized space? If yes, you can charge at the higher end of the market range, but make sure you are charging what the parents are actually receiving. To get additional tips on this section, check out my video, Top 7 Ways to Make Money Owning a Home Daycare. Number 3, the other way to establish competitive rates is by conducting regular reviews. Periodically, assess and adjust your rates to keep up with rising costs and added services. Make certain that you don't just copy other providers' rates. Take into consideration what is actually included in your total monthly cost to arrive at an accurate number. For example, what are your food, supplies, insurance, licensing, payroll, taxes, and other expenses each month? Once your total monthly expense is determined, next, decide how much you need to earn each month. Then, divide that by your capacity and total number of operating days. Be certain to perform your market analysis as well. To get additional guidance and learn how to improve in areas of your business, watch my video, How to Write a Business Plan. Strategy number 3. Finally, you'll want to diversify your income streams. Diversifying your home daycare income is a smart way to boost your profits without adding more kids. It also helps you build stability, especially when enrollment fluctuates. Here's a breakdown of 4 ways to diversify your income as a home daycare owner. Number 1, offer educational and enrichment programs such as music, art, computers, or language classes at an extra fee. 2, provide tutoring, learning programs, and structured learning activities like early reading, math, or science. Number 3, provide care for school-age kids from 7 to 9 a.m. and then from 3 to 6 p.m. Number 4, host a monthly parents' night out at a premium for a few hours on a Friday or a Saturday. Check your state regulations for night care. Some differ from daytime. Keep ratios safe and manageable, even if it means limiting spots. Consider having a helper if you are at capacity. Make it fun for children by coming up with theme nights. Make the schedule repeatable for reliable extra income, and include a registration fee for VIP children. So this way, openings are made available first to VIP clients to choose from. This brings our video to an end. In summary, here are my top 3 proven income strategies to achieve $5,000 or more a month from your home daycare business. Strategy number 1, maximize your enrollment by knowing your capacity. Remember that mixed age groups matter and provide a flexible schedule. Strategy number 2, establish competitive rates by researching your local rates and determining what aligns with your program. Communicate your values of your home daycare business and Conduct regular reviews to ensure your rates match your services and the current market analysis. Finally, strategy number 3. Diversify your income streams by offering educational and enriched programs. Also, provide advanced learning activities and host premium Parents' Night Out. Achieving a $5,000 or more monthly income for your home daycare is attainable with the right strategies. Implement these tips, stay consistent, and watch your business thrive. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if there's a topic you would like for me to cover next. Remember to download your free worksheet in the link below. In conclusion, be the person to make a difference. Provide a balanced childhood for children. Open a home daycare and reap the many rewards, including the financial benefits. Until next time.